Welcome everybody, I came by Rubey here. Today's topic at hand, we're going to get right into it and not waste any time. So the topic at hand today is a good one. Like I always say, everyone is a good one. And you should be always positive in your thought frame and everything every day. Try at least, you can't lose nothing with it. So today's topic on hand is control in any situation. This took me a long time to learn and master. And still, do I master it? No. But you maintain? Yes. Because when you get to that level, like I said, slowly. First you learn, you practice. Once you get everything focused and aligned spiritually, right? Mind, body, heart, spirit, soul, everything is one, then you're moving. Now to do this, let's start one of these exercises. Self-control. I want you to try this. Anytime someone gets you annoyed or mad, like one thing you say to me, I couldn't hide my face. Like if you get look, the crunching of the eyes, or give it away. Now it's almost like I'm at ease and I just let it go and contemplate whatever the problem is. Think about it and say, you know what? Okay, we'll handle it this way, or we'll just let it go and just say, hey, you know what? Nah, I don't want to. It's okay. I don't want to deal with that or go into that whole situation. That's what you believe, and that's what you want. If the person's that adamant and angry and arguing, I'll say, hey, you know what? Okay, you're entitled to their point, and you're entitled to yours. But the best thing is sometimes just let it be and walk away. One of the hardest things is to be the bigger person. In any type of situation where you might be, and at the same token, believe me, I understand there's some certain circumstances that are different. At the same time, you have to protect yourself or whatever in any type of situation if it's something where you feel threatened or fear. But for this example, and on a spiritual note and all that, we don't want to go into there, right? We're always thinking what in a positive mind frame. So in case you encounter this situation, the best thing would be to what? Some people say walk away, but walk away backwards. Don't turn your back. No, but in all jokes aside, just walk away. Or if you can't, you try to diffuse the situation. A lot of times, me myself, a thing that I learned that worked great, because I worked in so many different fields and jobs before I went into this field of the like a spiritual advisor, life coach, a motivational speaker, all these type of things. Before I did this, I had tons of job where I actually dealt with people on a daily basis. One of my favorite jobs, actually, I'll give you a little insight, was I did security for tons of groups and places and hotels I had worked. The list goes on and on. But with that, I told you, one of the best things I learned is that always saved me was just diffusing the situation by keeping my calm, cool, and no matter what, either I was cursed at or screamed at or finger in the face, I was like, look, let's take it easy. Let's bring it down a little bit. Look, I'm not here to start drugs. So I'm here to help you. You wouldn't believe how fast you could turn a situation around like that. So that's just one example. Build up all these how can I say, these tools that you can use later on in your life and have them. And let me tell you something, you're going to get so much further. And another thing is, you'll start to see slowly, I'll give you a little hint here, the more and more you get spiritually in tune, those things will start to fall away. You won't even encounter situations like that because you're not attracting it. You're not putting it out. But regardless, in everyday life, we still have things like this that happen. But listen, try that. And it's just a little something to get you going, get that mentality, that brain going every day. Every day, try and keep that mind clear, free. Don't stress over anything too much, especially now. There's so much going on, and the era we're living. It's tough. I know. Believe me, pandemics we have here. We have all type of now wars going on. It's tough, and the only way I tell you to keep your mind in a cool and calm, respective place is for you to stay calm, cool, and collective. By then, you can make the right choices and tackle on any situation at hand. I Can by Rubey. I wish you guys the best. And thank you so much for everybody. Take care, guys, girls. Thank you so much. And from my heart, I wish you the best in whatever you're trying to achieve and do. I can. Good night, guys.